What is up, you guys? I'm here today in my kitchen joined by my friend Robyn, who you might remember from the Philippines series. So for today's video, we had the fun idea to bring the Philippines back to Canada. We are going to be making some Filipino dishes in both of our videos, so definitely head over to her channel after you guys watch this. So we are going to be making the famous PANCIT, and yes, this might be a more simple dish to make, but we are going to be doing more of these videos, so you guys can leave a comment down below letting us know what we should cook next. So definitely make sure to subscribe and let's get started. So we have our fresh vegetables. We have our rice stick noodles. We're just gonna chop these vegetables. I've already started boiling the water, but we figure to make this a little bit more fun, we'd pop some rosé bubbly.
Hopefully next time we're popping champagne together, it's in the Philippines.
No, that'd be ideal.
So you have to like twist it and then push. Okay. Okay, so if you're popping a bottle of Prosecco or champagne, right when you feel it's about to like explode, just push down on the tip.
Cheers to cooking Filipino inspired things. We're gonna make a vegetarian version of this. The normal one has like chicken stock and obviously chicken in it. All right, so we're gonna start up by cutting up our veggies. I already washed these lima beans, and you can basically put whatever you want in it, which is quite nice. So kind of decide what kind of veggies you like. I'm not gonna add carrots to this because I am allergic. I have some weird allergies just to different random vegetables. Okay, so I'm gonna get my assistant chef to drain the veggies.
Sous Chef Robyn reporting for duty.
Okay, so we have all the vegetables chopped now. May not have been the best chopping thing in the world, but I tried my best.
I've never seen anyone chop vegetables like this. I was like filming a little B-roll and I was like low-key concerned. I was like, are we gonna be okay?
We're gonna also answer some questions while we're doing this cooking video, so I thought we'd throw in the first question. Well, I was gonna say waiting for the pan to heat up. We haven't turned on the stove yet, but we will in a second. Someone said, is Laura from Vancouver too? Yes. Well, actually, technically like a suburb outside of Vancouver, but her and I were actually in the same sorority. That's how we know each other, from university. And now we're both travel vloggers and we've connected and get to travel together, which is so cool. Okay, let's get these veggies into the pan. Honestly, I'm kind of winging this whole thing a little bit. I'm making a few mods. Technically, you are supposed to put 2 different types of soy sauce in this, light and dark, but we're gonna, to make it slightly healthier, we're doing the less sodium soy sauce.
Honestly, for me, the hardest part of cooking videos whenever I make them is the fact that I'm making something and I'm like, it smells so good. I'm like, I want you to smell it.
Are you happy doing this, or did you dream of doing something else? Yes, I'm very happy doing this. I feel like when we were younger, it didn't even really exist as a job. So that wasn't even
not a job.
No, whereas now kids growing up, they're like, oh, I want to be a YouTuber. But when we were younger, that wasn't even a thing. As you guys know, I did start out in fashion videos and I do love fashion as well. So when I switched to travel, I was kind of a bit sad to be leaving fashion behind. But now it's been really cool because I'm actually, some of you guys know this if you follow me on Instagram and have seen little like hints on different things, that I am starting a clothing line of like reversible travel wear and all of that. And I'm actually wearing something right now from the clothing line. So this is going to be part of the first launch. And it's this cool like tie-dye pattern, and then the opposite side, I don't want to like flash you guys, but it's this really beautiful light blue color, and it's all reversible. So for traveling, I mean, that's the biggest thing, is you always run out of clothes. So yeah, it's nice to create something that's like 2 outfits in one. So there's going to be 3 dresses, a skirt, and then 2 bathing suits with matching sarongs for the launch. And then obviously way down the line, there'll be lots more things and whatnot. And yeah, I'm really excited.
As someone who has seen sneak previews, you guys, it is so iconic. Like, I've tried on the suits, I've tried on, I think, everything from Laura's line, and like, Laura's literally my fashion queen. Aww. Like, we were literally talking about earlier how my strategy for buying clothes is I go to a store and I find the most fashionable girl and I'm like, help. And Laura just knows what's up. It's incredible. Like, she's so stylish, so fashionable. So get ready. I'm so excited. So I picked the next question, and it's going to be, where are you traveling first? Or where do you hope to travel first after this is all over?
So obviously the Philippines. I would love to get back to the Philippines. I really want to go to Balabac.
Yes. Oh my God. We've been wanting to do Balabac for so long. So I got so excited.
So long. And Siargao, I would love to go back and redo Siargao. Last time was a bit traumatic. If you guys haven't watched our Philippines series, like the full thing, I have it in a playlist. I will leave a link down below, and Robyn's as well. Robyn and I have talked about doing possibly Vietnam. I've always thought, I'm like, okay, when am I most happiest in life? And honestly, when I'm on a scooter in the middle of Southeast Asia, it's just like, it's when I feel just the most happiest and centered human being. So we're gonna now take the noodles, put this into our concoction. Do a bit of a technical difficulty.
We left our noodles sitting for like 20, maybe 30 minutes, give or take, in this bowl, and they kind of solidified into like a pancake.
We have our completed pancit vegetarian version. I think we had messed up a tiny bit because we left the noodles for too long sitting, so when we tried to put them in the pan, we had to basically like saw away them to get them to this. Oh, it's actually really good. And I have had pancit many times in the Philippines, so.
Oh my god.
You're a first time pancit eater.
Okay, I actually really like it, even though
Really
like
good.
we had issues with the noodles. It tastes so good.
In the end, it turned out
No, wow, that's actually really good.
Mm-hmm.
I love the veggies.
Our third taste
Pad
tester
thai.
with pancit. Also, my little sister, if you guys remember her foot is healed. She can now walk. Those of you who watched the last Sugar vlog, she broke her foot traveling. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching us cook some yummy Filipino food. I miss it there a lot. I honestly can't wait to go back. So make sure to check out the video on Robyn's channel. You guys can see what we are cooking over there. To give you a little hint, it's something that's more on the sweet side. It's really, really good. So check out that. I will leave the video link down below. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Cause the problem is I love you.